Kaka. Happy birthday to you. How are you? Nice now. So today is your happy birthday. Have a great fun and enjoy your year. I love your Govan Safari and your salsa dance too. It's so amazing. Happy birthday.
Hey Amri, many happy returns of the day. Hope you get everything whatever you have desired in life. You get more and more successful by each passing year. और चलो अब अंग्रेजी में क्या बोलूँ, मुझे ये बोलना है कि आई मिस द टाइम जो हम लोग साथ में स्पेंड करते थे दिल्ली में। याद है हमने कितने मज़े किए हैं। हमने ऑफिस बंक करके शॉपिंग भी करा है। तुम और सितिजा के साथ मुझे टाइम स्पेंड करना बहुत अच्छा लगता था और मैं चाहूँगी कि जितना भी टाइम आगे बढ़ता रहे हम लोगों की फ्रेंडशिप और भी गहरी होती रहे और हमारा बॉन्ड स्ट्रांग होता रहे और हम लोग साथ में ट्रिप करते रहें, ठीक है। और क्या मैं बोलूँ, मुझे बहुत रोना आ रहा है कि मैं बर्थडे पे नहीं हूँ रिटर्न गिफ्ट लेने के लिए। वैसे तो मैं कोई गिफ्ट देती नहीं, बट हाँ मैं श्योरली रिटर्न गिफ्ट ज़रूर लेती। चलो कोई नहीं, आप लोग पार्टी करो, इंजॉय करो। Bye. Once again, happy birthday.
Oh, what's up? Wish you many happy returns of the day, big boy. साले पहले 2015 पे मिला था, साले 2 साल तक मेरा रूममेट था। कैसे जिला है तेरे को रे अप्पा। I miss the long run, man. The crazy nights we used to have the party. Those were the 2015-16. Those are my best days of my life. कितना पार्टी किया हमने, shit. The night drives, the Mumbai tour, your wedding, oh my god, that was an amazing experience. Keep loving everybody as you do always. Keep these fanboy moments. Enjoy your life. Having an amazing partner. You guys are doing such a big things. What do you say? Stay intact and keep exploring. Hope 2021 is a big year for you guys. And auntie, I just need to come home and meet you. It's been quite long. Definitely I will be coming. Enjoy guys, have fun. See you man, big hugs. I'm really missing that. Let's catch up soon, probably in Goa. Love you man. That's up. Once again a happy birthday to you.
हाय अमरीश, मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स द डे। ये बर्थडे तुमको बहुत मुबारक हो, तुम्हारे लिए बहुत लकी हो। आई विश लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस एंड हैप्पीनेस दिस ईयर एंड टिल द होल लाइफ। और बहुत लाइक यू आर द मोस्ट अमेजिंग पर्सन जिससे मैं आज तक मिला हूँ। बहुत फ़नी, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट, लाइक बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग पर्सनालिटी। और हमने बहुत अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड किया दिल्ली में और मुंबई में और जहाँ भी रहे या तुम्हारे साथ रहे, तुम दोनों के साथ रहा मैं चाहता हूँ ऐसा बहुत सारा टाइम आए जब हम तुम एक साथ हों, खूब मस्ती करें, खूब इंजॉय करें। सो हैव फन, मेक मोस्ट ऑफ दिस ईयर, लाइक बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो। बाय, टेक केयर, इंजॉय।
हाँ जी ब्रो, विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे, बधाइयाँ। तो आज बर्थडे, अच्छी बातें बोलनी पड़ेगी, याद नहीं आ रही लेकिन हाँ बोलनी पड़ेगी। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ब्रदर, आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग सच ए ह्यूज सपोर्ट एज ऑलवेज। जब भी मुसीबत में था, दिक्कत में था, आई हैव रीच्ड आउट टू यू एंड यू हैव बीन अ सपोर्ट। और अभी जैसी वी आर प्लानिंग टू मीट बट नहीं मिल पाए समहाउ। वो कहते हैं बड़े शहरों में छोटी बातें तो होती रहती है। तो प्लान करेंगे, मिलेंगे। तुम एंजॉय करो अपना बर्थडे, खुशियां मनाओ, फिर मिलते हैं। चलो बाय बाय।
Birthday boy, wish you a very happy birthday, Amrish. May you have a great year ahead, and may you achieve all the successes. You've been a true inspiration and an honest person and a friend. So I wish you a very happy birthday. It's been more than 12 years that we have known each other, and I think we have come a long way. I remember our bad times and good times. We eating bread and pickle at night when we did not have money, to inventing our own dish, if you remember. Okay, so cheers to all those memories and wish you a very happy birthday, man. Take care.
Happy birthday, Amrish. Just want to take this opportunity to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Hope you have an absolutely incredible day with friends and family. You know, you don't deserve anything less. I know you're such a big party animal. You're so driven. So, you know, you deserve this day. Again, just want to take this opportunity to thank you. Thank you so much for being such a good mentor. Thank you so much for always being there for me. Thank you so much for believing in me. You know, they say that a good coach can change a game, but a great coach can change a life. And you certainly have changed my codified life, my life in general. You know, I learn so much from you on a day-to-day basis. You believe in me again. That's so important to me that we work together to reach new heights together. I truly believe that under you, sky's the limit. So again, I hope you have a fantastic day. And happy birthday again. I know everyone around you who's watching this video is like, why is your subordinate talking to you like this, you know? But you know, that's the best part. I truly look at you also as a friend. You know, you're such a great person, so fun loving, so great to be around. So I'm so happy at Codified again. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, and let's meet soon. You know, let's meet soon. Let's have a beer. Let's chomp down on a nice fat turkey, and again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Amrish. Hope you have a great day. We've had some crazy times. It's been a pleasure working with you, and looking forward to more good times. And yeah, man, cheers. Have a blast.
Happy birthday, Amrish. Enjoy your year ahead and lots of love. We just enjoyed your company and your Govan Safari very much. Happy birthday once again. You're a very nice person. Enjoy.
Hey Amrish, happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. You have a wonderful family and a wonderful team. I know you built this team from the scratch. Stay safe. Enjoy your day. Meet you soon.
Hey Amrish, you know our journey was not so easy, but with the grace of God, it is being wonderful and it's being blessed each and every day, each and every second. I really feel thankful and feel so much blessed because Mama has given you birth on this day. God has sent you for me. I always feel that. So I'm feeling very emotional right now. You know that. You'll get to know that. So thanks for always being there. I will really cherish this day forever because you happened to me, and just toast to the wonderful champion, to the wonderful manager, to the wonderful human being I've ever seen, and I keep learning from you. Though we are the life partners, but you're more a mentor to me, where you have been there with me throughout. So that's it. Thank you for being such a loving, caring and a thoughtful person. Yeah, thanks. Happy birthday. I wish you all the happiness and success in your life.
Hi Amrish, many happy returns of the day to you. May all the bright colors paint your life and you may have a wonderful and prosperous year ahead. I congratulate you on this special day of yours, and it's been 2 or 3 years we know each other, and I found you to be a very nice and kind-hearted person. So all the very best for your future life and your future journey. All the best and enjoy your day. Bye.
Hello Mr. Google and the Minister for the Goan Safari. Wish you a very, very happy birthday from New Delhi.
Hello, happy birthday Amrish. I wish you lots of happiness and I wish you will reach 1 million followers very soon on YouTube and Insta. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday to you, Uncle.
Ninja, 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 ninja.